वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह. Welcome to the fourth matra of Gurumukhi, which is Kannada. Kannada is one of the symbols or one of the matras that we use to change the sounds of the Gurumukhi letters. Let's understand the three basic rules here for Kannada. The very first one is Kannada will be on the top of the letter. So this is my Kannada. Okay. Second is the sound of the Kannada will be A, like we have in awkward, right? The sound of A in awkward will be the sound of Kannada. The third rule is Kannada cannot be used with Uda and Ed. We cannot use with them. Just to show a difference, this was my Hoda that we discussed in the last part, and this is my Kannada. So there is a little difference. We are going to have a line here in Kannada. In Hoda, we did not have any line here. So this is the main difference between Hoda and Kannada. Now let's move on with the different sounds of Gurumukhi letters once we attach Kannada on the top of the letter. So the black ones are the normal letters, our Mukta letters that we call, and blue ones are the letters once we have attached the Kannada on the top of the letter. Let's start with the first letter, Uda. Uda will not be having any Kannada on the top of the letter like we discussed. Okay, so here we are having a cross. Then we have Ada. Ada is going to give the sound of A. And once we have attached Kannada on the top of Ada, it becomes A. Like we have awkward, right? If you have to write awkward in the Gurumukhi letters, you will be writing it with this. Ada and then Kannada. So this is also the sound of Kannada, you can say. Ada, A. Then Ed is also same as Uda. We do not have any Kannada on the top of Ed. Then we have Sassa. Sassa is going to give the sound of Sa, and then Sassa Kannada Sa. Sa, Sa. Ha ha, ha, ha. Simple, right? The R sound you are going to put on the top of the letter. Ha, ha. Sa, sa. A. Then we have Kakka. Kakka, Ka, Ka. Khakha, Kha, Kha. Gagga, Ga, Ga. Kagga, Ka, Ka. Nganga, Nga, Nga. Chacha, Cha, Cha. Chacha, Cha, Cha. Jajja, Ja, Ja. Chajja, Cha, Cha. Yanya, Ya, Ya. Tanka, Ta, Ta. Thatha, Tha, Tha. Dadda, Da, Da. Tadda, Ta, Ta. Nana, Na, Na. Tatta, Ta, Ta. Thatha, Tha, Tha. Dadda, Da, Da. Tadda, Ta, Ta. Nanna, Na, Na. Then we have Papa, Pa, Pa. Papa, Pa, pa. Babba, ba, ba. Pabba, pa, pa. Mamma, ma, ma. Yayya, ya, ya. Rara, ra, ra. Lalla, la, la. Wawa, wa, wa. Rada, ra, ra. सस्से पैर बिंदी शशा श शा. खखे पैर बिंदी खखा ख खा. गग्गे पैर बिंदी गग्गा ग गा. जज्जे पैर बिंदी जज्जा ज जा. फफे पैर बिंदी पप्पा पा पा. लल्ले पैर बिंदी लल्ला ल ला. So these are all the different sounds that we can get from the Gurmukhi letters once we have attached the Kannada. In the beginning, it might be a little tough to understand the difference between Hoda and Kannada, when to put Hoda and when to put Kannada. So in the next part, we are going to look at some of the Gurmukhi letters, and then we can attach Hoda and Kannada side by side to understand how they differ in their sounds. That will be all for today. If you have any questions related to Kannada, please let me know in the comment section below. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.